Hello. Okay. Okay, I have a mic, but super awful. Let me see if I can change it to a different one. Probably this one. Why is this one not working? Okay, I connected a mic, but it's not working, so I'll have to do with this. Sorry about that. Let me see if I can show the chat on the screen. So uh, capture window. Can I do capture window capture? Yes. Okay. Um. No, I cannot. God damn it. God damn it. Actually, I don't have to, right? Because the chat is, yeah. Oh, okay, anyway. You guys, I think you guys can see the shadow, so I don't really mind. So the problem that I'm having right now is that the car moves, but it's receiving signals for only one joystick. So I'm moving the car with just one joystick. So that's why it looks like that. So let me see if I can change that. So where is it? Stick, just stick. Oh, okay, got it. Look, and just uh, okay, that's a problem. This is the by default one, right? Yeah. What is the attack? I have the trigger here. So let me change accelerating. Accelerating. Not showing the code. Someone told me to not do it, so I won't do it. But believe me, the code is clean. So I have accelerating here. I remember how did I do that. So I know that we are taking actions attack. Oh, so this is trigger. No. Okay, let me see something because I don't want to reconfigure everything. If I can use the default, if I can use the default thing. I'm not using. I'm not using. Okay, I get it. I think I'm not using brakes. Oh yeah, I'm using brakes. When? Always. Okay. I'm using brakes, but when? I will have to the big look that check. I want to know if the brakes are from applying the brakes or not. Which button? Applying the brakes. Applying the brakes all the time? Oh, no, but that's my problem, right? Yeah, it's because I put it in the wrong place. Let me check. Oh, there you go. Which one? My logic is flawed. Which of you motherfuckers? Oh, wait, is it you? No. And also, it stopped happening. Oh, there you have it. I'm applying the brakes with this button. This is not a trigger, and also it's not doing anything. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. So wait, brake action, wait. So I have it here. Brake action. Wait, actually, I can do this. Nothing. I stopped using this, and now I don't remember. I stopped developing for a week, and I don't remember. I'm using a tag here, which is this one. But for some reason, when I press the X button, is the attack. So it's not none of this. Why? Have the left stick. Okay, have the left stick here. The gamepad. Which gamepad? It's not the Xbox controller. Right stick. Oh, I can change it. Oh, that's easy. So instead, button west. This is the problem here. It's an Xbox controller for now, which is nowhere to be seen. Where is the Xbox controller here? Okay, Xbox. Right trigger. What is the right trigger? Right bumper. So keep going down. Right trigger. Xbox controller. Attack. So now I have it there, but also, yeah, it's a right stick. Huh. It's not just the right stick. Ah, primary to the axis. I'm using move action everywhere. Hmm. Hmm. Actually, I see the problem now. I'm not breaking. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's fix the brakes first and then we work on the controls. I think actually that's not it. I don't think these controls will work. Yeah. So, so play braking for some reason worked for a moment. Now stop really. Okay. Now it's not moving for some reason. Okay, this is weird. Yeah, I'm not doing anything. Just learning, it's process. Okay, this works. Okay, this is working. And I'm applying the brakes. But that's not what I want. I will need to make my own. Yeah, if I want it, I have to do it myself. I have these ones. Go player actions. Let's call it car. Racing, no, car. Car. New action. So the new action should be like accelerate. It's only one. Actually, let's call it forward, right? Can be only forward negative or whatever. So yeah, but it's not a button, it's a value. And it's a vector 2. Hmm. Yeah, it's a vector 2. Is it a vector 2? No. No, because it's acceleration, right? Oh, acceleration. So it's a value. How about another? value, and I use a gamepad, not a gamepad, an Xbox controller. Let's use a trigger. Oh my, right trigger from the Xbox controller. So that's forward, right? I'm doing a lot of things here. Shit. Player input. Yeah. What is the tutorial info? Okay, it doesn't matter. Save asset. Car forward. Okay. Is there a way to test it, or I have to just? God damn it. Okay. The only way to test it is through the code, I think. Should be easier if I whatever. Backward. So I'm gonna do it. This is shit is a value, and it's an analog value. And also the binding is left trigger for Xbox controller for now. So gamepad. Actually, don't use anything here. Let's see what happens if I don't do anything there. And that's forward and backward, right? Yeah. I have to change my conditions here. Yeah. Okay. What is this current input? I'm doing everything wrong. Oh shit, I disconnected the controller. I'm doing everything wrong. And that's why I have to start again. It's a learning exercise. It's a learning exercise. So I have movement action here, and when it's performed, it calls on movement, which is nice. Which is nice. But is it the correct way to do it? Probably it is. Oh, okay, I get it. What happens if I change this for car input? No. Actions. Player input. Okay. It's because I haven't saved this one. Can I see this player input? Okay, no. This is interesting. Huh. Hmm. How can I get this one? The code. I'm not seeing something. I don't know what it is. Generate C class. I haven't done this. I don't remember if I have to. Hmm. Hmm. Utterly confused. Ah man, I'm really confused. Hmm. Oh, figure. I did it wrong. Yeah, this is better. Oh man. Oh, it's 0 to 1. So all this shit is wrong. Fuck. Yes. Yes. It's wrong. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, okay. That's why I don't usually. It's bad practice to just try to reuse old scripts because you always learn something new. And then let's create a money behavior. I'm gonna call it. This is going to be just for acceleration. So Axel, I'm gonna call it V2. Axel V2. I'm gonna create this one and I'm gonna use it instead of the other one. Yeah. So who cares if you see my code? My code is bullshit. So yeah, my code is really shit. So whatever. So I'm gonna do. I don't need that. I'm gonna do private and put action. And this one is going to be a forward. Forward. Action. Okay. I need that forward. Oh. No, I don't need left. The steering, I'm gonna do it in a different thing. So the thing is, when I am awake, awake. Oh man, no, but component player input. Yeah, no, that's not it. Because fuck, I created this action map, right? And I call it core. So I need to forward. Yeah, you're almost correct. So let's create new input action. Oh, no. No, it's input action map. Hmm. Now I need to car. I already created the action, so I don't need to. Yeah, but that's curious. Find action forward. Do the same shit for backward. You fucking understand sometimes. So when action is performed, you're gonna do those things. I haven't created this too, but I'm thinking this shit is private already. Yeah, and I'm not gonna make it serialized field for this, so it can be like that, right? Let's follow my own rules. Yeah, my own personal rules that for some reason I don't really need. Can I just create this quick fix? Generate the method. Yeah, thank you. Quick fix, generate the method. I don't have to write that down. So, anyways, let's go with forward first. Oh wait, I need also disable. No man. Oh man. On enable. On enable, I'm gonna do it. Why didn't you do it? Yes. Thank you. And on disable. Perfect. Can I just accept it? No. Oh man. Ah, there you go. Do I need to undestroy? What? You suggested to the undestroy? Do I need to destroy them? Do you need to destroy the thing? Do we need to destroy? No, you know what? Because I disabled after before I destroy, so I don't really need it there. I can just do it here, right? Forward action perform. That's it. Can straight here. The same here. I just disable it and then destroy it. I'm not destroying. I'm just okay. Memory leaks. Memory leaks. Okay. So, anyways, on forward action. So that's the thing. I have a code here that I was doing. I was using. This was an old code, but I think it's fun. It's fun. So I really like it. So the initial thing is because the way I made this shit, I put the front of the car in the transform right negative. It's my fault. I did it like that. I could fix it, but I don't want to. So anyway, so I could use var what I'm doing here, direction, acceleration. Oh, I'm calling the acceleration. Oh wait, that's the thing. I just want to accelerate or deaccelerate. Okay, that's yeah. Let's call it like that. Forward direction. Yeah, it's not forward. It's actually the right negative. The left. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. It happened. It happened. I want to apply that, but based on the input, on the value of the thing. So I need the value of the thing. So I'm sending the context here, and the context is a value. It's already a value. It's already a float. Yeah, because it's an allen. So, based on this, what I'm doing, I'll have an acceleration force and a direction and the input, which is the one. Okay. Okay. Get it. There you go. That's the other thing that I have that I remember. Just remember. I really need this as a serialized field, which is not a real location. Oh yeah, it's a real location. Yeah, how did you know? How did you know? How did you know? And the Axel 4 is also that. But because this one, it's kind of public, I'm gonna put this so you can see it. So I can know that this shit comes from there. So if I go here, actually, let's wait. If I go to my car, which is that one, I have a real location and let me see the car here. So that's what I did. This is a car basically. This green thing is the colliders of the cars, the door. So I have a rear location and a front location. And I'm applying the steering forces on the front, and the real location is receiving the others. It's very fun because if I apply in the front location, I apply a torque here, so the car tries to move here. I mean, when I'm done, I'm gonna show you. It's like it's a really fun thing to do. It's really fun. So, what it was. So I have the real location, and I want to, when I am applying this, I'm going to apply the force. The force, I'm going to apply it to the rigid body. The rigid body. Where are you? Get component rigid body. Oh yeah, I need that shit. Okay. Let's keep it that. And awake. Assuming. Don't assume anything. Just do the thing. And the rigid body, it doesn't have to be serialized. Private rigid body. That's it. Oh, and actually, because I'm not showing this to anybody, it's mine. It's fucking mine. I know, I'm not. What are you talking about? Okay, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to rigid body dirt. What is this? What is this suggestion? You see, it's different. Ah, yeah, it's this. Yeah, but oh, you're multiplying everything here for the acceleration force in the forward direction. I'm multiplying something else here, but I don't remember acceleration input and forward direction and axle force. Forward direction, acceleration. Forward direction, acceleration. Where is axle force coming from? Did I create this somewhere? Oh, it's already done. But I'm not considering the most important aspect of everything. Mm. Which is the value that I'm pressing right? Context dot read value float. How about that? Do I even need to do it like that? Because I'm not sure. Yes, it's just like that. But this time I'm just reading the float. That's it. That's all I'm doing here. So that's it. Yeah, on forward, that's all I do with forward. If I'm going forward, this is what it's going to do. Apply that thing. Reorder? What are you talking about? Quick fix. Reorder. That's better performance? If I do like that? Really? Okay. Okay. I guess. I guess that's true. Okay. Let's see. On backwards. So, on backwards. Actually, you know what? This is great. But because I'm gonna use it everywhere, let's do it on awake. Right? Let's create a private. Wait. Private var. Oh, yay, var. Oh, it cannot be. Can I use vars here? So what is this? It's a vector tree. Private vector tree. Forward direction. Forward direction. No, I only need forward direction. Yes. And then I can just copy this to the awake. And remove that from here. There you go. No mistakes have been made yet. So I have the forward direction. And I do it on awake. I don't care. So the same thing here. This is a lot of things. Yes. Because so what I want to do here is simple. I'm sending the context here with the value float. Yeah, but I'm not reading the acceleration of the body. What I want to know, can I know the force? Probably I can probably ask ChatGPT. Let's see. Open chat. Can you measure the rigid body force? No, speed towards direction. Speed in forward direction. So I multiply the velocity. Oh, is the dot product is the dot product of the velocity of the and the forward direction. And it's a float. Wow. Okay, let's use this one. Okay. Let's choose this one. Rigid body velocity is obsolete. Linear velocity. I bet. Linear velocity. That's it. So I'm using linear velocity here and speed in forward direction. So I know that. So if a speed okay, kinda understand what I'm doing. Kinda, not completely. Yeah. If it's more than 0, it means that it's moving forward, right? But in that case, I'm just stopping the thing. So I'm doing the linear damping. This one. Whoop. Linear damping. And now, it's my rigid body already. So the current input is less than 0. I'm measuring that shit here. Actually, let's create a brake force. But that one can be a serialized field. Yeah. Brake force. Yes. I don't know why I'm dividing that by 3. Probably stupid shit. Yeah. Actually, I'm asking this, so let's just ask that. If it's more than 0, okay, wait. Let's make that. Oh, fuck. The fuck is that? So, there we have it. There we have it. So we have the speed in forward direction, and if that shit is more than 0, which means that it's positive, then, and I'm pressing this shit, I'm applying the brake force. Otherwise, I don't care. No. Otherwise, I will do this. Yes. But in the forward direction, negative. Right? So this is the real one, and this is the second one. I'm gonna do it here. What is the problem? Oh, because it's not linear damping. Sure. No. The damping is okay. Damping, it's okay. Yes. Damping is okay. Hmm. Huh. There is a lot of things that I have to do to make it work. That's for the linear damping. That's okay. You know what? I really need the if that shit. And instead, I'm gonna do the linear damping equals the brake force. Yeah. Rigid body and delete all of that. So linear damping equals the brake force. Oh, how do you fucking knew? I know. He fucking knew. And don't use the brake force here. Actually, just do this. Actually, just do this shit. Can I copy this line? In the negative forward direction. That's it. So I just apply the voxel 4 on the negative direction. In theory, that should be working. It should be working. In theory. Now, the big problem that I have right now is how I test it. So let's test that for now. So I'm sure I'm not gonna use this one anymore. So remove component. I don't need acceleration. I need the steering only. I don't need the steering either because I'm gonna change it too. But acceleration, axle V2. Can you go up? You move up. Can you move to the fucking up? Okay, move down. No, man, move up. Is there a way to put it on the first place? No. Move up. Move up. You are the first one. So I need the real location, which is this one. Up. And I have the axle force and I have the brake force. Yeah. There was another thing on this one. Oh, max speed. Yay, need a max speed. I need a max speed. But not now. Not doing that just yet. So let's see. Okay, let's go to game. Null reference. Which one? Oh, yeah. Forward. No, wait. What? What is null reference? Forward action perform person forward. Word. 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 Oh, wait. Is this empty? Input action map car is not found. Huh. This was not found. It wasn't found. Input action map car. Oh, wait. I'm creating that shit. Sure. Right? Hmm. Forward, backward. There you are. Forward, backward. Let me see what you found there. Did you even found it? Check, let's check. Null. Told ya. Told ya. Find action is not finding the option. Forward. So this thing is giving me a null. Wait, maybe player input, get component player input, right? And instead, I'm gonna do that, but in player input actions, find action car forward. How about that? Let's see. Car forward was found. Okay, so it was found. So let's do the same on the next one. Find actions, car, backward. This one will be found. How about that? No errors. Nice. It's hard to know if this is working or not. Let's inspect the car. Shit. Fine. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't know if it's working. So how do I know? Let's go. Let's put a debug log here. Debug log forwards pressed. Up. Nope. 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 Oh, forward pressed. What? On forward not found? What you talking about? Missing method exception. What? Doesn't say where. What? Let's check that shit. Unity projects. Hmm. Why? What are you talking about? There is no forward here. The only forward is this one. Forward. And it's been cold. Huh, it's weird that it enters first here and down fails. Right? It's like, yeah, I'm doing this, but fuck you. Forward press. And then fuck you. Mm. Let's simplify the code. Let's not do anything here. Let's see what happens. Oh man. Still the same shit. Not found. Oh, you know what? I'm doing this on enable, but I'm doing that on awake. Alright? Oh, wait a minute, I want to check something too before I do anything else. Okay, fine. Mm, I'll do that. Also, change this to that thing. This is amazing. If I do it like this, it happens every frame, which is nice. Exactly what I wanted to happen. Right? Right. Now, not doing anything else. Let's see what happens here. Come on. Accelerate or forward not found. Let me see. That's weird, right? Because yeah, it says not found, but this one it's only called inside the method that you don't find, that you can find, which is weird. It's weird. You cannot find the method. Still, you have it there. Hmm. Let's see. Is it because you're trying to find it from another place and it's not public? But makes no sense. That makes no sense. I'm gonna do it like that. Let's see what happens. Fuck. It's always like this. It's always like this. The small stuff like this that always fuck everything I do. Mm. So it's not the, that's not the problem. That's not the problem. Let me see. It's not that. Does it work if I do it like this? Why is this taking forever? Same shit. Receive. Still something else. Save. Hmm. Or I try to just press a button on Unity. The world is going to shit. Recompiling, compiling. Watch me recompile, baby. Watch me. Pum, ba-dum, pum, pum. Ah, sorry, I'm watching just dogs. I'm just watching. I just watch a dog like fishing. Holy shit! What the fuck happened here? Scenes. Sample scene. There is nothing in the sample scene. Where? Oh wow! I lost everything. I'm sure I saved it. Didn't I? I don't remember. Screw the new scene. Game. Fuck. I don't even have the. Oh, dear. Okay. Okay, I guess I fucked up. No, wait. Before I do that, the scene, nothing. Ah, shit. Maybe that was the problem. Hopefully. Let's see shit. Okay. Materials, texture, noise. Stupid beach. I think it's this one, right? There you have it. How about this one? Oh, this one. And this one here. Nice. So I'm gonna call this one. Okay, wait. This one. Let's add a component mesh collider to that one. That's it. So I'm gonna save this one. Yeah, now I see the importance of saving stuff. So I'm gonna create a folder. I'm gonna call it. Where is my folder? Create folder. And let's call it prefabs. Can you go to the center of everything? Stop bothering me. That's better. And I'm gonna save it in the prefabs thing. So I have the city. Now for the car. Create empty. Let's call it car player car. And in this player car, I'm gonna put the car. Which is right there. Shit. Man, I didn't create this on an empty thing. Oh shit, super big. Okay. Let's remove the light. I need the light. It's fun, but it's not there. Have the cylinders. The camera, I don't need it. Cube is already there, and the cylinders are also gone. I haven't created the yeah. So what is the camera? What can you see, camera? Oh man, I lost everything. Shit. No, I don't feel like doing it. Let's go to 0.3. No, the position is good. This is the scale. 0.3. Yeah. No, I don't want that. But let's create Kimide. Cinemachin Kimide. Oh, maybe I have to create that new Cinemachin Kimide. Done. Car Kimide. Main car. Main Kim car. Yeah, I made a typo. Don't worry about it. Don't you worry about it. Okay. And I need to follow something. I need to follow something. tracking target. Okay, so player car. No, no, actually not that one. This one. This one. Red car. Man, I don't remember. Position control, photo. Where's the car? What is there? Okay. Follow, rotation control. Look at. No. Hmm. Shit. What is the other component that I need? Colliders. Capsule. Collider. Is there another collider I could use? No. Shit. Only capsule collider. Where are you? Where's my motherfucker collider? Oh. Hmm. There you have it. Actually, it's cool. Can increase or reduce the value. Okay. Perfect. Excellent. Can I duplicate this one? Done. For your position, right there, and front steer position. Here, it's perfect. Let's call it 6, and this one 4. Jeździ. That does it. What else? For now, I'm gonna save that one. And in the prefab, this shit is 0. And that's it. Here it can move whatever I want. So let's open that. I do. And go up. Let's play. Let's see what happens. Correct. So now I have to do body and I have that, some constraints for the rigid body. And now that I have to freeze something that I don't remember what. Okay. Now let's add the control here. And let's play. Curve forward is not found. What are you really talking about? There it is. Curve forward. It's right there. It's right there. Oh, still missing method. Wait a minute. God. Okay, so we are back with the same problem that we had like 1 hour ago. This is not easy. What the fuck? Instead of looking, just grab it. Let me see something. This one is a button. The trigger is just a button. This one is a value. And I said analog, but could be digital. Double? Factor 2? Should it be double, right? I don't know. Double? Not found. Why? Why are you doing this to me? Yeah, it calls it, and then fails. Why? Is someone else calling you? No, it happens only once. Yeah, it's weird. Why specifically on firmware? It makes no sense. Why is it failing? That was it. Motherfucker. Okay, another thing. Get it. The organization. Oh, well, you cannot. Oh, fuck. Ah, that was the only mistake. Man. Oh, my back is killing me. So that was the mistake. Let's copy the code that I had previously deleted. Save here. Let's see if that keeps going. Oh, clear position. Here we go. That's perfect. Are you moving or who's moving? You're moving. Alright. Alright. So, what I have to do basically is to rotate this one around, or because I'm doing this new thing, actually let's fix that first. So, let's try forward. Let's see this one. See if that fixes the push to the correct place. Then we can keep going. What is it being done? No. Why is it rotating? Let's do 100. Oh, fuck. Nice. Okay. Ah, the acceleration is working. Ah. Hmm. The acceleration is working. But beat. It's not being called all the time. I don't want to be calling that shit all the fucking time. Can you stop this Should I do it? Just put it on the fix update, right? This is a vision. Should I put it on the fix update? I don't want to put everything on the fix update. I'm actually changing on the last price.